In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how this 7-figure dropshipping store is using this insane strategy to drive a crazy amount of sales. Hey guys, my name is Ali. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at this store that we've looked at before on the channel. By the way, make sure you subscribe if you are someone who is a dropshipper looking to create a side hustle or just wants to learn about dropshipping, because that's all we talk about on this channel. Okay, so this store is doing $1.5 million in sales, right? And I like to keep up to date with what's going on. Not only can I use that for my dropshipping stores, I'm a full-time dropshipper, but I can also just pass that information along to you guys. All right. So now I was paying attention to this store, 1.5 million in sales. They're doing about 700 orders a day. They're in an amazing niche. So what they sell is they sell these, hold on, let me just, they sell this micro needling product. Okay. Now what does this mean? It means you basically, like poke little holes in your face and then the serum goes in. This is an insane product because it takes on the Botox industry. It takes on the industry of beauty, anti-aging, XYZ, and you will always make money in this industry. You will always, because there will never not be a need for this, and there will always be people that can't afford Botox level results, and they want it because they know that all the celebrities and everybody's using it. So I was paying attention to this neat strategy that they're using, and I'm going to start implementing it in some of my businesses, and I want you guys to do it as well because this is a great way to sell high ticket products. Okay, so first thing is obviously they're running a ton of ads, and they're running it off they're not running it off their branded page. They've just created a new page called Natural Beauty Remedies. By the way, this is a great way to do drop shipping. Is don't create a branded store, create a fan page and run ads off that, because it's less likely that someone felt like they're being sold to. That's point number one to take off this. Now, point number two is there are all of these ads, and this is not an ad video, but they run some amazing ads. Maybe we'll come back to this. Okay. But what they do is when you click shop now, okay, on any of these ads, if I click learn more, shop now, whatever, I keep being taken back to this page. Now what this is a quiz funnel. Okay, now what a quiz funnel is it'll say take this 1-minute quiz to claim your discount. Okay, now number one is you already know, right, what the product is because you've seen the ad. But now what they're doing is they're taking you to a quiz, okay? And now in this quiz, okay, they're going to essentially sell you by asking you questions, okay? Now, you may be thinking like, oh my God, dude, who has the time to fill out a quiz? But if you're selling to women, okay, selling to women and selling to men, I feel like are completely different things, okay? Now, if you're selling to a woman, this interaction is something that it would be completely okay with. And women in the comments, any women that are watching, feel free to disagree with me. But whenever I'm looking at a business, I always look at it how my wife, mom, or sister would interact with this business. And obviously I've lived with them, so I understand like their mechanisms. Like if my wife saw this ad, she would 100% fill out the quiz, like honestly, because she wants to know if this product is good enough for her. She's not really thinking along the lines of this business set up this quiz to sell to me. Like that's not the first thought. Maybe that thought will come towards the end, but most people don't think like that. And that's why I think this strategy is brilliant. Okay, so the first thing is take this 1-minute quiz to claim your discount. So by the way, the quiz is tailored, so whatever answer you give is there is no point. Like I could answer this in any way, but there is no way that they don't recommend the product at the end. There is no way, there is no chance in hell. Okay, they're not going to lose a sale. Okay, so look, take this 1-minute quiz to claim your discount. How old are you? Over 60. What's your biggest skin related concern? Okay, I'm going to do wrinkles. Okay, how deep are your wrinkles? Okay, which one of the following do you want to erase? Forehead. Okay. Now you're in the right place. You see that? Like they made us answer some questions and they're like, hey, you're in the right place. Over 500,000 women have erased wrinkles from this. Okay, perfect. Now, what anti-aging products have you tried? Okay, anti-aging creams. Now, it doesn't matter. So now again, don't worry if other solutions haven't worked for you. 99% of topical anti-aging solutions don't penetrate the skin deeply enough. So they've put something in there to educate us. Now they're basically asking us questions and selling it. Okay, so have you tried any of the following? Botox. Okay, these treatments are just way too expensive, right? Yes, they deliver results. So basically they have stuff built in where anything that you choose an answer to, they will give you something. Like, they're basically asking you to tell them what your problem is, and they will pitch their product as a solution to it. So smoother and firmer skin. How much time do you have for skincare? I don't have time at all. So a busy schedule. See, I don't have a time at all. And now they've hit us with a busy schedule. So this is such a genius way to sell. Okay. Now, I don't care which one I choose. Do you have sensitive skin? Yes. Okay. Now calculate your skin type compatibility. They're calculating if my skin type is compatible with their product. What do you think is going to happen? Yes, our product is 100% safe for your skin type. Of course, there's no way, there is no skin type that I could select here that wouldn't be safe, okay? But as a customer, having gone through this process, I now feel like I've been heard. Like, this is something for me. Like, imagine, have you ever gone to buy a car, okay? And if the sales guy came to you and just said, hey, this is 100K, you can pay XYZ. Like, you're not really going to feel like you want to purchase the car. But if the person asks you, okay, where do you do most of your driving, right? Do you need it for family, or are you more so using it as a commute workhorse, right? Do you want to take it to work, or do you want to impress clients, or what type of business are you in, or what type of car do you like? Like, they're going to ask you a bunch of questions, even if the pitch is the same. Let's say let's say a car salesman only has one car that they have to move before the end of the month. But if they understand why you need the car, every car will get you from point A to point B. They will find a way to pitch you that car. Okay. This is the same system, but it's automated. You don't have a sales guy. You just ask them questions and then you give them recommendations. Okay. So continue and calculate the possible skin types for your results, XYZ. And then finally, based on your answers, you'll erase all of your wrinkles, rejuvenate your skin with just a 12 serum kit from Glove Beauty. Claim your discount. If not, you'll receive a full refund. Applying the special one-time discount, right? Applying the discount, and then you go here, and then boom, you're being sold the product. Okay. Now, this is an amazing way to sell high-ticket products. If you're selling high-ticket products, I would recommend two ways: either do a funnel or a quiz funnel to bring them to the place where you actually go ahead, pitch your product. Now you're here again. This is a one funnel, one product page, right? Where all you can do is buy, and there's a bunch of other cool things, right? That they have. And by the way, this is a funnel that I've already reviewed on the channel, right? This is an amazing business opportunity for anybody looking to get into skincare, because this is very unique. This is also a little bit of a barrier to entry for most people. Most dropshippers will never consider dropshipping this product. But for those of you guys who are interested, I'll show you how exactly you can set up not only the quiz funnel, but this particular product as well. So the first thing that you have to do is go to shopfunnels.net. Shopfunnels.net is a funnel and e-commerce store builder, and go to pre-build dropshipping stores. So we build dropshipping stores in advance. Okay. We copy everything from the original and we make it available for you. So you can go ahead and just replace the products and go ahead and sell the exact same product. So if you look at this one, the micro infusion funnel, okay, I've actually built this entire page out. I've just not included the images because this is something that you may need to brand yourself. But the entire business exactly has been built. Like, this is their page, this is their next section, right? I've even written out all of the copy. All you have to do for this particular funnel, right, is add in your images, whatever branding you have, right? And branding this is very easy. If you just look at this research packet, if you go to funnel 1, right, this is, if you go here all the way down to the research packet, you will see that I've also linked out suppliers that you can get in touch with that will go ahead and basically brand, produce, and ship the product out for you, right? So this is a supplier. Once you work with them, get your logo in, this is a product that you have to sort of invest in. get in some products early, and then go ahead, maybe ship it from home or ship it for a third party, or you could even go to AliExpress. But typically I would do it from a reliable supplier where I've actually verified the quality, right? But you can do it from AliExpress. Whichever way you do it, either you order some inventory at home and ship it, or you go ahead and do it from AliExpress. You're gonna get the photos. That's the only thing that you have to add for this funnel. Okay. So now let's say I want to do this, and I want to also do the quiz funnel. Okay. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna start with this funnel. Now just decide which one you want to join, build monthly or build grow. With the monthly you get 1 funnel, with the grow you get 20. But special one-time offer for all of you guys that are seeing, you can join and try shop funnels for just $1. I'll leave the link down below. It'll be the second link. Try it. Just click this, go through all of the information, try it for a day, for 14 days for $1, $59 or $89, and have ready, proven, pre-built stores ready for launch. Okay. Now I'm going to actually sign into my shop funnels account. I'll do it on a separate screen. And I'm going to show you exactly how I would build out this quiz funnel, because I don't know if you guys know this, but shop funnels will actually build quiz pages out for you. Okay. So now I'm going to go here, I'm going to create a funnel, and I'm going to go to I'm just going to type in micro. There's 2 micro infusion, and I'm going to close micro infusion funnel. Okay, so now what is a funnel? Okay, a funnel is a series of pages that are specifically designed to get a customer from point A to point B. Now, this is a huge build that I did, because this is where they order, but we never just directly send them to the order page, right? Where we send them is we either direct them to an article page like this, or we send them to an article page like this, okay? But both pages, it doesn't matter which page you select, both pages will send traffic to the order page. Okay, so now let me just actually show this to you live. All right, if I go here, I know if this is complicated, if this is a little bit overwhelming for you, don't worry, I'll break it down for you. Okay, I will make it very, very simple. Okay, so essentially, most dropshippers send people directly to this page and they hit them with the price. Hey, this is how much it is, you gotta pay me. Okay, but we don't do that. We send them to very systematically designed pages that look like news articles, like experts reveal why women over 50 are using this system. Now, I've actually written all of the copy for you. For this funnel only, you just have to add the images. Most of the other funnels, even the images are done. For this one, I didn't, because I want you to brand it essentially. Okay. So now this is the entire funnel. Both pages are built. Okay. Now, if I click this page, if I click like this button, I go to the order page. Even if I click this button, I go to the order page. Okay. So these are the links that I will send my traffic to. Okay. If I just go here, this is the link. This is the link I will send my traffic to, and all of that traffic will go to the order page. Okay. Now, these are just ways of people to come into the order, right? This is one way. This is another way. Now I'm actually going to build a quiz funnel out. Okay. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to basically build an empty page, and I'm going to call it a quiz. Okay. And we're going to copy the quiz that these guys have just asked us. Okay. So all we do here is build out, go here. Okay. And put in a right here, quiz survey. Okay. This is a quiz builder. Okay. And we will basically essentially add as many questions as we want. Okay. And we basically go ahead and even type in the answer. So let's ask the first question. What is your skin type? And then this will help us recommend the best product for you. Okay. And then we're going to essentially shape the answers, right? So what's the first answer? Hold on. So our first answer over here is fair, dark, fair. What were the results? Fair, like medium fair. I don't know, guys. I'm just gonna be like fair, medium fair, dark, medium fair, dark, medium dark. Okay, so we're just gonna put that in. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to assign values to this. Okay, we're gonna assign values to this. So maybe this is 1, maybe this is 2, maybe this is 3, maybe this is 4, okay? And now based on the value that you assign, okay, it's a little bit of a math. It's a little bit of a math thing, okay? But based on the value that you assign, okay, from 0 to 5, you can direct them to specific things. You can direct them to a specific page. You can direct them to X, Y, Z. But the point of a quiz funnel, guys, is just to make them feel like they've taken a survey, and you direct them to whatever you want to direct them to anyways. Now, sometimes if you're doing actually digital dropshipping and you have different offers for different people, okay, this quiz funnel will actually really help you, because it will help send traffic to the right place, okay? For you though, if you're running this type of funnel, what I would do is I would just come up with a bunch of questions and just direct everybody to this page, okay? Just direct everybody to this page. And that's essentially how I would do it. The quiz will look really good. It'll be really professional. And this is a great way to start driving traffic to your funnels. It's a great way to sell high ticket products as well. All right, guys, with that being said, try shop funnels for $1 for 14 days. If you choose the bill plan, you get access to 1 pre-built store. If you get monthly, you get access to 20. All right, inside of shop funnels, if you go here to shopfunnels.net, link for the trial is down below. Inside of this, if you look at templates and pre-built stores, you will see that all we do is we already built out dropshipping stores completely, add the products, the images, the copy, everything. All that's left for you to do is attach your domain name and launch. For anybody that does take the free trial, you also get access to the Shop Funnels Sprint system, which is a short course that I've designed that will get your shop funnel up and running in 1 day. And you also get access to the AI Ad Academy, so that once you have your shop funnel running, you can actually go ahead and run your ad. So all of this comes at just $1. Go ahead, try all of this out, launch your first store within the first 14 days, start making some sales, and start not working so much, right? Because everything's already done, built for you. Use the quiz funnel. Let me know in the comments down below if you have got any questions about this new strategy. Would you try it? What do you think about it? I'm definitely going to start implementing this in my businesses, and I'll keep you updated as always on everything new, e-commerce, drop shipping, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you guys next one. Peace.